Welcome back to our latest installment in the HubSpot integration series. Today, we're diving into another powerful feature of HubSpot, tasks. Tasks are essentially reminders for future work, ensuring that even when we're occupied with other tasks, we never miss an important to-do. First, head over to your WhatsApp web interface and locate the HubSpot icon, which should be nestled under the Tools section since we've seamlessly connected HubSpot to WhatsApp web. Upon clicking, you'll find the option to add a task. Let's say our task is meeting with client. We'll select the date, perhaps October 5th, and set the time for 4 p.m. Of course, these details can be adjusted to suit our specific needs. Once we're satisfied, we'll hit OK and then the add icon to finalize the task creation process. Voila! Our task is now logged into HubSpot and seamlessly synced across platforms. But how do we access it? Simply click on the arrow icon, which will redirect us to the HubSpot website for that particular contact. Here, we'll find a treasure trove of information, including our tasks. Navigating to the task section, we'll find our upcoming tasks neatly organized. And there it is, meeting with client scheduled for October 5th at 4 p.m. With these straightforward steps, creating and managing tasks within WhatsApp using HubSpot and the Eazybe extension couldn't be simpler. Let's stay organized and productive together.